Why do the world's top chefs travel all the way to remote Korean temples? Well, what exactly are they looking for?
Here's the thing, it's not highly processed fake meat, nor is it some lab-grown protein. It's actually thousands of years of vegetable wisdom. What's amazing is how simple, everyday greens transform into deep, gourmet delicacies, and the ultimate secret behind this magic is called Namul. Now, global foodies are absolutely raving about Korean temple food because it delivers the ultimate, authentic answer to plant-based dining. So, why is the culinary world paying such close attention? Food science actually has the answer, so let's dive right in. While Western cuisine boasts fresh, raw salads, Korea features Namul, and these two culinary approaches belong to completely different worlds. You see, Western cooking focuses on preserving that fresh crunch, but Koreans traditionally blanch and dry their greens due to environment. But honestly, neither is superior, as it's simply a beautiful cultural difference shaped by centuries of unique regional history. Since 70% of Korea is mountainous, people naturally explored wild mountain greens and learned to harvest these edible wild herbs. By blanching and dehydrating these wild plants, they successfully survived the harsh winters, turning sheer survival into a rich culinary culture. This practice eventually merged with Buddhist temple cuisine, adopting a philosophy of harmony with nature, elevating Namul into a true philosophy. What's interesting is that Namul changes with the seasons, featuring mugwort in spring and aster in summer, following nature's natural rhythm. Today, Western foodies are actively searching for unprocessed, sustainable diets, and Namul perfectly serves as the ideal, clean solution. That's why top chefs visit these temples and Michelin-starred restaurants take notes, making Namul a fast-growing global culinary trend. As a food scientist, I analyzed Namul through a technical lens and uncovered some truly mind-blowing secrets that I'll reveal right now. Raw vegetables naturally contain hidden anti-nutrients, which are self-defense compounds produced by plants that can easily disrupt your digestive system. A prime example is oxalic acid, which actively blocks calcium absorption and happens to be particularly abundant in raw spinach. Fortunately, a quick blanch in boiling salted water completely fixes this problem, safely leaching out the harmful oxalic acid entirely. At the same time, this heat breaks down tough plant cell walls, softening the texture and drastically increasing nutrient absorption rates. This enhanced nutrient delivery is the real science behind blanching, proving that preparing Namul is far from a simple cooking task. Furthermore, we don't just use salt, we season with traditionally fermented soy sauce and soybean paste, known as doenjang and doenjang. During fermentation, beneficial microbes break down soy proteins into smaller components, naturally generating massive amounts of rich glutamic acid. When this glutamic acid binds with the vegetables, it triggers an explosion of rich, savory flavor without needing a single drop of meat. And this is the absolute pinnacle of plant-based savory goodness, a true culinary miracle completely driven by natural, traditional fermentation. But wait, there's another hidden secret. Namul is absolutely packed with powerful phytochemicals, including beneficial polyphenols and dietary fiber. Here, gentle heat treatment is the absolute key, as it carefully unlocks and preserves the vital polyphenols and dietary fibers. Once consumed, these stable compounds travel to your gut, acting as excellent prebiotics that fuel and nourish your gut microbiome. Consequently, this process significantly reduces oxidative stress and visibly slows down cellular aging, supporting a perfect slow-aging lifestyle. So it's clearly not just a simple side dish, but a scientifically proven superfood that absolutely anyone can easily prepare at home. Want to try making it yourself? You can easily find the ingredients at your local grocery store, so let's look at the method. Your first great options are baby spinach and kale, which serve as excellent, highly accessible substitutes for traditional Korean spinach. Just blanch the kale slightly longer to soften its tough fibers, then gently toss it with fragrant sesame oil and minced garlic. The second smart alternative features turnip greens and mustard greens, which perfectly replicate the earthy depth of dried radish greens. Pro tip: just add a tiny pinch of baking soda to the boiling water to instantly achieve that authentic, tender texture. For the third option, try button or cremini mushrooms, which are arguably the easiest and most foolproof ingredients for making namul. These mushrooms are naturally loaded with guanilic acid, so cooking them with garlic and soy sauce delivers a remarkably meaty flavor. I highly recommend these options for beginners. You can buy them anywhere, so definitely give it a try today. Now that we've unlocked the science behind Namul, thousands of years of wisdom truly shine. it's time to cook it yourself. Make sure to hit subscribe and turn on notifications, and please share the vegetables you want to try in the comments below.
Stay tuned for more Korean cooking secrets. Don't forget to subscribe.